Hi everybody, JoPaddy here, and tonight I'm just playing with paints. I had a small canvas board here, and what I've decided to do was paint it all one color, black first, my lamp black. That seems to be the blackest black to me anyway. And then I took my Rust-Oleum glitter paints and I put it all over the black. This is called Harvest Gold. It's an intense shimmer, and it's just a little brush-on application. Now, I have a bunch of blues over here that I have pre-mixed. I'm just going to play around with blues tonight. Maybe a splash of green, I don't know yet. We shall see. We shall see, everybody. I've been wanting to play around with my little syringes again and stuff like that, but I don't have a lot of time these days, so not too much time to plan and really sit around and paint like I want to. So let's open up these paints and see what colors I got. And make some room for myself over here. Let's see here. Gotta make room, everybody. Gotta make room. Okay. Alright, alright, alright. Alrighty then. Let's see what we got, see what we got. Okay. Now, I will say one thing. All of these are regular paints except for one. This right here. This light blue is actually fabric paint. But it was so bright and so vibrant and so pretty, you guys, I thought I'd give it a try. And tonight, I mixed my paints with just water and a little bit of pouring medium. Just a little bit to get it to flow a little. But I don't have any Floetrol or anything else in here. And I don't have any design really in particular. I do have this sponge that I've been wanting to use for a while. I haven't used it in a long time, but just makes cute, so cute little circles in the middle of designs, whatever you're making. But I don't know if I'm going to use it. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to blow my paints around, or if I want to make a flower design, or I don't know what I want to do. All I know is that I'm feeling blue. I got restless bones, everybody. So I thought I'd paint a blue painting. All right, give me a second to mix these up, and we'll get a move on it, everyone. Now, as I get paint all over my hand, I went to take the stir stick and put it in the napkin, and instead I did it with the napkin slipped out of my hand, and I got it out of my hand. Okay, now, that would be okay, but I'm going to wipe it anyway. I'm going to wipe it anyway, everybody. It's a little past midnight here. I'm doing some laundry. I've just been up late. Got stuff to do, stuff on my mind. All right. I'm just trying to wipe this off because I don't know what kind of design I want, so I just want to wipe it down. All right, now, here we go. All right, let's see. I think I'm going to do, I don't know. Let's see. I think I'm going to go like so. And here comes the Prussian blue. Prussian blue is so dark and deep and so pretty. And underneath that is the fabric paint, and underneath that is the ultramarine. Okay, now, let me think here. Did I even use that? I don't remember, but let's put a little more on there. I don't think I did. But just in case I didn't, and it doesn't matter if I did already or not, because it's all blue. Blue Bayou. Remember that song by Linda Ronstadt, you guys? I'm going back someday. Yep, going back where, everybody? Okay, now, I'm just looking at this, and I'm wondering, thinking. I'm not in the mood for a swipe, so I'm not going to do that. And I do want that sparkle canvas to show through, so I can't really call that negative space. It's just canvas. And I see it moving, doing its own thing. But I do know that I can't just leave a big puddle sitting and sinking down into the canvas. All right, let's see. Pop them baby bubbles. Tiny bubbles. Okay, let's see. See, I'll show you what this does. So like you take this, you can make little designs with it. See, like I'll show it on here. We can see that. See how it makes a perfect little circle? Maybe you can see that or not. See? See? Other colors do come through. Kind of pretty. Maybe just go blobbing away. Just kind of connecting the paints like that. Get a string going between. There. I do know if you take it on its side and twirl it around, let's see if I can show you. It has a really cool design, almost like a little feather or an angel wing or something. So you take it like this and you just go like that. Kind of hard to show because my hand is giving, but when on a flat surface it kind of does a really cool feathery effect. So cool, everybody. That note, we'll just start tilting and twirling and spinning and whatever. I'm surprised to see the paints moving so slow and being so thick, given that I just mix them with a lot of water. I'm trying to get this right here doing something. So let's see what I can do. Get it to go a little bit more straight. Even though I like the diagonal. I'm liking what it's doing. Give a little room there. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take an accent color. Actually, let me think here. I don't think I want to. So what should I do, everybody? Add the green, not add the green. See, the thing is, it's like, I've said it before and I'll say it again. It takes forever to mix your paints and to think things through. And then, you know, you kind of, like, it goes really fast, you know. It goes so quick. Quick like a bunny. Well, I'm wondering if, let me put a couple squirts of water in here. Thin it out just a little bit. So I can move the stick around if I want. This is also fabric paint. Let me show you. Fabric paint, neon green. Forgot about that. I think I'll just give it a little bit of an edge here. Seeing some thickness in some spots, but then it'll be okay. I see a couple bubbles too. Let me see here. I really don't care too much about the bubbles because sometimes I can just take a small little wet sander and sand that out without ruining the design. Let's see here. pretty sure that's going to get lost in there. I got this on a tilt, by the way, just for some slow movement across the canvas. Trying to get that slant that I'm looking for. Getting lots of cloudy stuff I don't really want. But still moving pretty much. I mixed these paints up a couple of days ago, you guys, but you know what? I kept adding a little water to them too, and they are thicker than what I really wanted. I'm just looking at this and still debating about some stuff. Just playing with paints, no design in mind, but you know what? I have so many paintings like this already, and I just feel like I'm not happy anymore with this. Like my little slanted painting here. My green on the one end over here is turning a little too yellow for my liking, but that's okay. It is what it is. It's meant to be, y'all. Meant to be. Let me swipe the bottom here. And I'm going to set this aside to dry. And I'll come up with a plan for when it's done. All right, you guys. Here comes the finished piece. All right, everyone. This one's done and dry and up on the wall. The sparkled background. Nice and chocolatey. Turned out really cool. Make a nice background for something. I just don't know what yet. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Arrivederci, everyone. See you again soon back in the studio.